Now that you've received your username and password for your iXQTV service, now it's time to show you how to use it. All right, you guys. So the first thing you want to do is when you want to move it to the front so that you can be able to see it all the time, you'll simply go down to your apps and channels. Now, remember, the easiest way to do that is just hit the home button on your Fire Stick, and you're going to scroll down 3 times to your apps and channels, and we'll scroll all the way over to see all. Then we'll click see all, and we'll click right to the left. Once we get here, we'll click right to the left, and it'll go all the way down to the bottom, and there you have it. Now you just want to keep it highlighted. You don't want to open it up from here. You want to keep it highlighted and click the 3 lines on your Fire Stick. It's basically the first button on your right hand side. Okay, so you see 3 lines there. You'll click the 3 lines, and then you'll just go scroll down to move to front. Once you click move to front, voila, it'll move to the front. Now all you have to do is go ahead and hit the home button on your Fire Stick remote, and as you see, it'll be right here in your apps and channels. Very easy to have access to.